Heads up, Power BI users. The Power BI Dataviz World Champs is back. Celebrate creativity, analytical excellence, and data storytelling through 3 weekly challenges designed to stretch your visualization skills and inspire innovation. Contest structure. The competition runs across 3 rounds, each featuring a fresh challenge and curated dataset. Entries are evaluated through judges' scoring and community fan voting, with 1 wildcard finalist selected by the judges, leading to a live finale at FabCon 2026 on March 16th. 3 rounds, key dates. Round 1 runs from January 12th to 19th, followed by Round 2 on January 19th to 26th, and the final round from January 26th to February 2nd. Finalist selection, key dates. Community voting takes place from January 19th to February 14th, with finalists announced weekly on January 26th, February 2nd, February 9th, and February 16th, and the wild card revealed on February 16th. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.